let's deep dive into the fourth component of the SCARF model, R for relatedness. I'll bet I can show you just how important relatedness is with one simple question. Imagine you watch a bus which is about to drive off a cliff. If you could save one person on that bus, who would you choose? A perfect stranger or your best friend? It's a no-brainer, right? Why? Because you are related to the person. How would this look like in a work context? Have you ever worked for a company where each department operated in a silo? Let's say that the recruiters are measured on how fast they can recruit. The hiring managers care about that as well, but what they care even more about is to have the right candidate. Now, let's say, which is unfortunately quite common in companies, that these two are not aware of each other's needs and metrics. Then you are looking at conflicts. It's even worse when they know, but they literally don't care. You think it's impossible to avoid such conflicts? Take an example from Southwest Airlines. They managed to break the turnaround record time and time again. Turnaround time in aviation is when the aircraft, after landing, is prepped for the next departure. As you can imagine, there is a lot of time, and because of that, a lot of money that can be saved if turnaround time is short, not to mention customer satisfaction. So a lot of airlines were inspired by Southwest Airlines. They've been trying to replicate this record of turnaround time, but they couldn't. Why? Because they were not acting as a cohesive team. For the turnaround time to be reduced, all members of all teams need to work together in unison. Pilots, luggage handlers, tarmac crew, and maintenance, all of them need to be as one team. Similarly, for your teams, if your teams are not working as one cohesive team, if they do not relate to each other, you're going to look at a lot of conflicts and you will never reach your full potential. If you want to ensure that your team works as one team, I do have a brilliant workshop for managers on how to build high-performing teams. I also have a number of great team building events that I could organize for you. This was the fourth aspect of the SCARF model, relatedness. I hope you will continue to the final one, F for fairness. See you there.